Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this UVC mouth guard case. It's a great case for your retainer, so it's really cool. It has UV light, so you put your retainer inside or your Invisalign, and you can close it up, and then turn it on, and it starts the UV light. There we go. So now the blue light is on, and if you're in the dark, you would be able to see a little bit of the UV light. So this is really great. You can put it on your in your bag, or hook it on. It's like it has a nice hook, so that way you can attach to your bag, your waist, anything. You can write your name here, your phone number, and the team if like you need to take this to any sports events. This is where you would charge, so really great. It's a great thing to have. It eliminates germs, and it's safe and convenient, like I said, and long-lasting battery. It does come with a Type-C to charge, so really great. You know, like I said, it's 2 minutes of the cycle, so it takes 2 minutes to completely you know, disinfect and do the whole process. So it's really great, and that way you know that it's cleaning all the germs and disinfecting your Invisalign or your retainer. So really great. I highly recommend it. It's designed for sports. Like I said, you can put your team name on the back and your name and number, so that way, God forbid, you lose it, it'll always get returned to you. So really great. And you know, it's perfect. Like I said, you can wash it and everything, so it keeps it nice and clean. Doesn't open easily, so you know, if it's, you know, if you're running or whatever, it's not going to easily open up. So, and as you can see, it's still going on. So after the 2 minutes, it'll shut off the light, and then you can open it up. If you open it up right now, the light turns off, so it'll mid-cycle, you could just turn it off whenever you want. But overall, great product. I highly recommend it, and that's it. And I hope you enjoy. Bye.